Well, hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming. My name's Lyndon. Now, this is going to be a super quick video because I want to ask you some questions about this channel and the way that I'm going to move forward with this channel. And your opinion is so incredibly important because I'm doing this for you. So it's really, really important. So I've got a couple of questions and I'd really appreciate it if you could think about this and put it in the comments below and let me know what you think. So I relaunched my YouTube channel. I used to do tutorials for my clients really using the Zoom camera or just my iPhone, and then in November 2023 I had this massively relaunch where I turned, this is my home conservatory, into a kind of YouTube studio, and I invested in some lighting and I needed to get my computer going, and I made a huge effort to make better quality tutorials. And since November 2023, it's now August 2024, I've made well over 100. I think I'm up to about 120 or 130. Here's my first question for you. Should I remake my earlier videos? Because the production level that I've got now in terms of lighting and setting and my camera and the way that I record sound is far superior to what I had when I first started, because I've got so much more experience now. And should I make my older videos, the ones from November, December, January, February and March of 2023 to 2024, should I remake them in your opinion, or am I just like covering ground that you've already seen? So I could do that. The second question is, because as you can see, I'm in my late 20s. No, I'm not. I'm in my late 50s actually. And technology this is all a little bit new and slightly uncomfortable for me. But I'm aware that a lot of people do live streams on YouTube, and I've never done that, and I'm wondering if you would enjoy a live stream. So a live stream, we could have a question and answer session, we could play sax together, you know, lots of people playing their sax together, and I think it might be an awful lot of fun, but I've never done it before, and I'm wondering what your take is on that. So I'd really appreciate, again, your opinion on should I do a live stream. The last question that I've got for you is a question I always kind of put at the end of every video, which is, do you have anything that you'd particularly like me to make tutorials about? Or are there things that I've made tutorials about that you think are really, really, really good? Because I want to give you the absolute best value that I possibly can. So those are my questions for you. I really do appreciate your input. It's massively important to me, and I'd like to thank everybody again for liking and subscribing and sharing my videos. Okay, I'll keep this short. Lovely to see you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.